A brand new ultrasound machine is said to be installed at the Milton Cato Memorial Hospital. And according to Minister of Health Clayton Burgin, the machine is expected to be operational soon. Burgin made the announcement in Parliament as he responded to a question posed by Parliamentary Representative for West Kingstown, Daniel Cummings, regarding the non-functioning ultrasound machine at the hospital. Burgin stated that the machine was installed in September. However, it is not ready for use as the General Electric system analyst has not yet completed the required training with the technical staff at the hospital in the use of the machine.
This training, Mr. Speaker, will however take place during the week of October the 15th, 2012 by the General Electric and Biomedical International. The machine will then be in full use. In the meantime, Mr. Speaker, my ministry has put in place the required mechanism to ensure that persons needing the service can access it via an agreement with a private provider. An ambulance currently shuttles patients of the Milton Cato Memorial Hospital to a private facility offering this service. And this cost, Mr. Speaker, is borne by the Milton Cato Memorial Hospital.
Senior Education Officer Aldea Gomes-Dyer is of the view that Vincentians should find it necessary to celebrate their own while celebrating the country's independence. Her statement came at the official opening ceremony of the UE Open Campus Independence Literary Fair earlier this week. Gomes-Dyer said the literary fair, the first of its kind to be held here, supports what's being promoted in the Ministry of Education and in classrooms to nurture literary, visual, and performing arts in young Vincentians.
As we commemorate the month of independence, it is important that we celebrate our own artists, our own writers, our own producers. Our curriculum speaks to this, and teachers are constantly encouraged to provide opportunities for students in these areas. Opportunities that would improve students' abilities and capabilities to become part of this literary community. I say all this to say that this event is in keeping with what we are promoting in the Ministry of Education and in our classrooms.
Gomes-Dyer said that the fair provided opportunities for Vincentians to showcase, examine, and appreciate the local arts.
Investment in cultural and creative programs and opportunities is not separate from the overall priorities of the state. It's vital to the overall health and well-being of the people of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Forums like these certainly provide opportunities for Vincentians at home and in the diaspora. Not only do the producers get the chance to showcase their product, but others can have that chance to examine the product and develop an appreciation for the arts. Undoubtedly too, these situations will certainly serve to motivate others, especially the young among us, to tap into their creative abilities. It is for these reasons the Ministry of Education supports ventures like these.
A number of Vincentians joined the Medical Association yesterday afternoon for its annual City Walk for Breast Cancer Awareness. Those who participated in the walk through the streets of the capital, Kingstown, assembled at Heritage Square for a brief rally. In her welcoming address, President of the Medical Association, Dr. Rosalind Ambrose, said she hopes each year the event will grow from strength to strength in terms of the participation of the Vincentian public. Also addressing the audience was cancer survivor and newspaper columnist Bassie Alexander. He congratulated the Medical Association for its work in bringing awareness of cancer, noting that persons with the disease and their families need all the support they can get.
A year ago, I would not have been here and enjoy myself and say, hey, what's going on? What has been big? Go on with it. Today, I'm in the midst of it. I'm right in the thick and thin. It means that cancer walks with you. It talks with you. It goes with you. He will show up at any time. Whether you're a man or a woman, cancer is going to show up. And if you call him pass straight. My name is pass straight. But he didn't pass straight. He stopped by me.
Meanwhile, Alexander said persons with breast cancer or any other sort of cancer and any other disease should not be ashamed of their illness.
The doctor told me, oh, you have positive signs, positive cells, cancer cells in your prostate. He said, but you write a lot of things in the papers, so I would expect you to write about this one. I said, you better believe it. He said, a lot of your friends on the street got prostate cancer and got prostate problems, but you don't know them. You're talking to them every day, but you don't know them. But go out and fathom for yourself. When I came out of the doctor's office, the first person that passed, the very person looked at me. I said, you mean he don't pay already? You get that subconscious feeling that everybody that looks at you, you say, he knows that I have cancer, or she knows. Don't be ashamed of any disease that you have, whether it's pressure, sugar, colon cancer, cervical prostate. Don't be ashamed of it. You didn't really invite it.
A consular officer from the U.S. Embassy in Barbados will visit St. Vincent and the Grenadines next week to provide American citizens services and to accept applications for U.S. passports and consular reports of births abroad, CRBA. Appointments will be held at the Peace Corps office in Kingstown on Monday, 22nd October and Tuesday, the 23rd of October. According to the embassy in Barbados, persons must have an appointment to meet with the consular officer. The embassy says visa cases will not be discussed during the consular officer's visit here.